After the violence in Leh, there are many people who have been rounded up by the security agencies, by the police. Close to 80 people have been detained on allegations of the fact that they were involved in violence. Now, the issue is that their relatives, there are many people who are aggrieved. There are people who have come out to protest. We spoke to locals. They say that these arrests, majority of these arrests are not genuine. These people were not involved in any protests, and the police, rather than focusing on them, should investigate and find out who stoked violence, and they have absolutely no issue if they are arrested, but the right people should be arrested, because most of the youth who have been arrested were either passerbys or they were taking videos, and they were detained by the police. So now they're also alleging that whoever is influential, whoever has his connections, his relative or anyone who has been arrested is being released. But since they do not have any connections, so their family members, their youth, their students have been detained. So they are protesting here, and that sentiment is prevalent right now. आप बताएंगे आप कहाँ से?
मैं बताऊंगी सर एक्चुअली my sister's son, he was caught from the road only.
Okay.
He was his college student. कैसे
So you're saying he was not part of the...
नो कैसे ले सकते हैं आप लोग बताओ. हमारे बच्चों को कुछ कोई पूछने वाला नहीं है. अभी आप कह रही है कि कोई उनके वो हस्बैंड के साथ जा रही थी, साथ में उसको लेके गए. कैसे लेके जा सकते हैं आप लोग?
तो क्या बोल रहे हैं आपको जब
वांट जस्टिस सर. जो उसमें है उनको ले जाओ ना, जिन्होंने जलाया उनको ले जाओ. यूथ
आप कह रहे हैं रैंडमली ऐसे ही पिक किया है?
रैंडमली किया है. फेल ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन फेल हो गया सर. या पुलिस उनको, लद्दाख पुलिस है या सीआरपीएफ है, वो फेल हो गया ना. आप उनको होना चाहिए कि किसने जलाया उनको लेके जाओ.
जब आप उनसे बात कर रहे हैं तो आपको क्या बोल रहे हैं?
गाड़ी लेने गया था बच्चा, वहां से ले गए. हाँ वीडियो होंगे. वीडियो तो अभी देखो ना, सबके घर में आप जाओ, सबके मोबाइल फोन्स में वीडियो होंगे. अब किन किन को लेके जाएंगे? पूरा लद्दाख आवाज उठा रहा है. वी आर इन पेन. वी वांट जस्टिस. वी वांट जस्टिस सर. लेट देम फ्री. लेट देम फ्री प्लीज. पीएम मोदी आप मत कीजिए ऐसे. बच्चों को, कॉलेज के बच्चों के साथ मत खिलवाड़ कीजिए प्लीज. उनको निकालिए. ये हमारा आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है. Thank you.
Right, thank you. So you heard the sentiment. All of this sentiment resonates that people who have been arrested, majority are not involved in the violence. They were either passerbys or they were taking videos. They were moving in a car, and these people are aggrieved because they say that they should be immediately released. They have absolutely no issues if people who are really responsible, the real culprits, if they are arrested, who stoked violence, who burned cars. They have no issues with that, but innocents should not be touched. And according to them, their kids, students who have been arrested are innocents. They had nothing to do with the violence. And the big issue right now is there's a communication gap. The authorities are not listening to them, and that's why they are here protesting. And this is the latest issue that has gripped Leh, that people who had nothing to do with this commotion, with this violence, should not be touched. They should not be detained the way they have been in the last some days. With camera person Tariq Lone, Mir Farid Leh for India Today.